Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Tesla Cybertruck in Brookhaven. First, launch the Brookhaven game on your device and make sure you are in a public server. Next, navigate to the main vehicle spawn point, usually found near the town center. You'll need to have enough in-game cash to purchase this premium vehicle. Check your current balance before proceeding to avoid any delays. This process is straightforward and quick. Once you're at the vehicle spawn area, look for the large dealership building. It's typically marked clearly on your minimap. Walk inside and find the non-player character, or NPC, who manages the car sales. Engage with them to open up the vehicle selection menu. Take a moment to scroll through the various cars and trucks until you spot the Cybertruck. It usually stands out with its unique design. After locating the Tesla Cybertruck in the dealership menu, simply click on it to select it. The game will then prompt you to confirm your purchase, deducting the required amount of in-game currency from your balance. Double-check that you're buying the correct vehicle before finalizing. Once confirmed, your brand new Cybertruck will instantly appear at the designated vehicle spawn point, ready for you to drive around Brookhaven. Congratulations! Your Tesla Cybertruck is now unlocked and ready for action. Hop into the driver's seat and take it for a spin around Brookhaven. Enjoy cruising through the city, exploring new areas, and showing off your awesome new ride to other players. Remember to check the video description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.